Me nyawuku. So we say because it doesn't make sense. El baby any no more. And then ma 99.9% are still looking for husbands.
Asem no can no dey ampa, but everyone was say feeling Geneva.
I ask myself, so if then you say there maybe the jaw. Then then it doesn't make sense because who got about here?
Polygamy is not forbidden by God. In fact, Bible no no me polygamous people.
Saying so open if he doesn't know that opener.
Yeah, so we'll be so. I mean, we've been together for a long time, and there are some things me to him, like I have time for him, but on no need to have time no more.
Sister Afia, when you broken hearts. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Bambros, baby. I will be a medinchia Cassiana Emma. Counselors, Nagasada, so it be. How would you know more problem? Mammy said, why your boss said, Jay, your boss said, yea. Why, counselor? Na Nancy, it is an hour crime said, goes and quay. Na, and I can say, be person could see Balaba. Yabebo.
Me nyawuku. So we say because it doesn't make sense. El baby any no more. And then ma 99.9% are still looking for husbands. It will be me sorry. Me friends with Afia. One more years old as 70 when you know one person no kwa better. Obeba be jina mu bi. Ah ono so yesu jani a wo pe So I ask myself, so if then you say there maybe the jaw. Then then it doesn't make sense because who got about here? It will get to a point you don't want to be with a man. Now, if it be another time, woman, and quite easy. I say, you make good answer, me a software. Me baby, oh, mommy, any Joe, any idea. But the bit me, I'm who say, who call him, a Christo or show the It is a woman, who I fear now, who say. Who come on ya dia ye come akodi agro ne aba awade enye se wa ye aduane na wose me ko kama no ana obi aduane me ko kama no anya me dan me jesi nioma e ma ware se de nioma ma me ma twempra no aya na ma bebre titi e kire no mo dwin se me ma ne ye me ma aba no wo mo pemma ene ade no kwase me wo mu se ma bebre nsu ni mo hweye mo me yanka bi nkire mo asema sie ma mo ntentena ho na mo nye te se de we know we are able to do everything because nipa bebre wo ho no ma if you want to take your stardom into your marriage. Say, would you know, fellas? They say, how you saw your star? I don't know how they call what star and fam mark on one. A Juma ding near the back of home. Samson as our bounce with fear, a fierce see come, a Diana no. I said, no, can the ampa, but everyone was a feeling Geneva because me say, nuclear infidelity. I started corrected allegedly. Salam them say, share a year say, but make a baby sure. Polygamy and yet forbidden by God. Polygamy. Say remember what 4 or 5 million yes polygamy is not forbidden by God. In fact, Bible no no me polygamous people. Abraham no Yeremiasa. Samson kwede no dia shawo. King Solomon near Yamima Yasi Yansen no 700 concubines and Puna 700 and Yeram 300. David or Bomat say it was a 10. If you in account. Share who you buy him ye. Mema Yamina San and your bado. Nietia or Barney or Bema Koda. Ye hold your bar. Our Bible cry, Yadibi buy a yes when we sasa Bema no bueno. Bema, ya de sorry a ko babia. E normal. But answer na oba ne wo beda no na wadwen akwa kire. Nti oba de a deliberate act. Bema de no by mistake. Bema wo kunu akwa wi oba by mistake. But oba de no beda no wadwen ho ahu se ade we start boy na me pa e bi ko pe tafi bomuski ni kru nyama no opeso bi boma no wadwen ho asi because ema oba woro no ho any ya
Correct. Na ya wo mu me wo e ma bebra o ma ja ware a o mu ni nkofo krum na etwempena jimie ojani dio eno ni nkofo krum na etwempena o woni dia no se ni kunu akodi obi o waja no be na ye ka se woni nkofo krum na etwempena because mema no yeswa o mo go prison kwanye easy enti achicha baba bi ebenya 8 ni akwa na mani be nti ase no obi o se mi kwa akobọ adwama mi jan wo ya boa o jan sai ne then o jan sa the idea to ko ka kra bi owura mutim se o jan no what are you talking about stand by your husband pepa una wo kwodi wa de hwe aware enye na wo se say mami ka bi ncho aware ho de papa enti wanya bia so mu yie won kansla akoda ni no oka no na riase won odunti ni ba ko a me feel na me hu na stand na no pa Jesus Christ Afia and then waka se me amanya broken hearts o se you don't no
why are you not ready to be in a committed relationship?
Because if you are the impact, you pen on payment.
Who will be our pen? There's someone you like.
Love. Actually.
You love that person.
Yeah.
But no, he doesn't.
Payment.
You are joking, and I are joking.
You know how funny this world is. Somebody who wants me on a silver platter, easy, would pay for everything to be with you, but sana reality.
Who is this guy?
He's there.
Have you told him? So open. What catch him? But why? But why are you saying so open bonumpel if he doesn't know that opener?
Yeah, so we'll be so. I mean, we've been together for a long time, and there are some things me to him, like I have time for him, but on no need to have time no more. So that's how I say I love him more than he loves me.
Oh,
yeah.
That's painful.
I know, it's the craziest thing. I know, right? I'm still single though. I'm still single.
You think that like when this interview is airing, that's all her, he will know you are.
He knows himself. He knows. He knows. He knows. I've not dated for. Only God knows. I've not been in a committed relationship for 8 years
because of him.
Yes.
What by way, nyami amani bibia or ano me dey ano dey I know me obsession. Oh, I know a fair advice. You want that from baby. No matter who nufu. Christ. Nufu no soon say more do. Ni a wo boa odi zuta bi no so ma. E gbagba so ha nyina ya o ya no bi. The third one. Oh, it's so sexy. Now, about when also a poor bino bin pen, Sandy Viastia. She had been my washing. And go woot now big down with some power, Upo be no be so pale. Oh, say, am I very funny? Near or pen no peno, no pen no pen, sanity. It's your Sister Afia, when you're broken hearts. Me crash pa. Oh, me sorry. Why me crash? Me hune nyoma me tibitwa video ni sa dem ka me say na sister wo hwe video sa me si o enyum na me da nya nyum no nya me bema nya nyum ba we nyina chi no wo no se ni otie nyina no odo bi adipa de onno no na bra wo so adan oso no wan nanti ache enti nipa ni show owro ne sere ho ebi abeba da buka na ntuma bi na boni mu ni nyina ache so pese wo we no ade na wo sa wo we no. Nice girl said, now we power so much to chingama. Ratty. God damn it. Nice. I'm a coye. Now when you know what's up, baby, as a net, see, near making you know, what's in the set. And yes, sending me born no. Near what panel on pel. Near also power on panel, Sunday, yes, born. It's a yes, will not be no pel one. Penny be because we be. One here back of fan your pel. Na eviase ana warem kofa obi on pel to say. Me producer is on the year ma bebre. Wonu say, wo ba pen no on pen no. No pen no pen. Uko fasa ni pasana ne no ware atete nkwa. Enti make sure say nipa na ko fa no odo se dia wo don na ware aye kama. I expose you chef and subscribe share. Me too man as I can be. Hey.